So in today's video, I have a huge announcement, which is that I spent the weekend with Marie Kondo and her team in a training course, and I'm on the path to becoming a KonMari Certified Consultant. So some of you guys have been here for a little bit, and if you haven't met Joe yet, he's going to probably snooze through this video, and he's snoring. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but a little bit about my story. I started my decluttering and organizing business in 2002, and I became a certified professional organizer in 2007. And so now here we are at the end of 2019, and I guess the big question that people have been asking me and what I was going to answer in this video is why? Why are you getting this certification since you've been in business many years and working full-time as a professional organizer? In answer to that question, I would say it's not totally about the stuff when you are working with your clients and helping them to organize their home, but sometimes it really feels that way. So I get a lot of calls from people that, want a whole house declutter and they want it done fairly quickly, and, they have their reasons for that, and I'm certainly capable of doing that and have spent many, many hours and probably hundreds of homes going through a decluttering process. But I always feel a little dissatisfaction when my customer doesn't really want to be a part of the process. They want organization to sort of be done to them and not necessarily with them. And for many, many years, I've been wanting to bring in more intention and energy transformation and certainly personal transformation. And I've wanted my customers to be more involved with the process and to truly feel that joy that comes from an organized home and from a joyful space that's just filled with the things that you love and how that can transform your life. And frankly, I just don't think a lot of people are hiring me for that purpose, or maybe they are hiring me for that purpose, but as we get going in the process, it seems to then kind of change to the stuff and how the stuff looks and how much stuff there is versus that person's like personal connection with the belongings in their home and for them to take this journey. So I'm looking to bring a more holistic experience to my clients through the joy checking process of the KonMari method, and really bring like a true focus on gratitude and joy for the things in their home, and less of a focus on minimizing and let's get rid of things and let's reduce the clutter. That's going to happen naturally in the KonMari process, but that doesn't have to be the focus. And that was a big takeaway from the weekend in listening to Marie Kondo, and that you're really trying to find the things that spark joy and the things that just have a little brighter emotional connection in your home. And it's not so much a focus on let's get rid of things, it's a focus on these are the things that just have like a happy or joyous energy to them. And so I really like that shift in energy, and I'm really looking forward to taking my clients on that journey as well. So the really awesome thing about owning your own business and being your own boss is that you can pivot. You can be sort of going down a path and focusing on certain things, and then decide, you know what, I'm going to rebrand a little bit, or I'm going to look for a different type of client, or I'm going to focus on these things. And you can do that as your own boss and as the owner of your own business. So I'm always grateful that many years ago I chose to leave corporate America and become my own boss and, take this journey. And this is one more reason to be excited about that to be able to take this transformation in my business. And also the really great thing is a lot of my business practices and my business name and my forms and sort of how I go about my day-to-day operations, they don't need to change at all. So all of my business forms and my methods for collecting payment or having a uniform and all those things that I teach in my Intro to Professional Organizing course really aren't changing at all. It's more of the spirit of how I work with my client. So I'm going to do a whole other video on sort of me going through the process and what the process is to become a certified KonMari consultant. And where I am in the journey is that I've of course, read the books, I've KonMari'd my own space, and I have attended a training workshop with Marie Kondo and her team. So I'll do another video on the exact process of what it takes to become a certified KonMari consultant. But if you'd like to follow me in the journey, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the little bell so you're notified when that next video comes out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.